Hello. In the last video, we had come to know about that how we can access Azure. There were mainly two process by which we can access Azure. That is first one from Azure portal, and the second one is command line interface. Okay, as we had studied yesterday. Okay, today I'm going to study. I'm going to take a tour of Azure portal. Okay, let's look into it. Okay, Azure portal is a public website which we can access from any web browser. Okay, even I am accessing it from incognito mode. Okay, let's see what are those jobs into it. Okay, here in the top corner we can see that there is a menu. Okay, we'll talk about it later. The next is Microsoft Azure logo. On clicking on that, we will land to our home page. Okay, the next is search bar. Okay, uh, we can search our services, resources, whatever we need, and whatever we need quickly, we can search here and land on it quickly. Okay, the next is Azure PowerShell. Okay, it lets us control Azure resources through command line interface. Okay, yes, Azure portal provides this feature to control to use command line interface too. Okay, and a doubt arrives that why we should use command line instead of Azure portal. Okay, see, Azure portal are best interface for carrying out single tasks. Okay, for example, if I have to create a virtual machine, okay, a single virtual machine, I can create on it Azure. I can create it on normal Azure website. Okay, but if I have to create same virtual machine 100 times, we can also create it on Azure portal or website, but it would take a lot of time and effort. But by command line, we can do it very easily. Okay, that's why command line interface is play a crucial role in accessing data or okay Azure. Now the next step you can see on the screen is notification. It gives the information about the most recent action that has been carried out along with the status. Okay. Now the next step is setting. Here you can see a lot of stuff for the that is we can change the language, we can change appearance that is dark mode, light mode, etc. Okay, it had it okay, it is setting normal setting. Okay. Now the next is help support and troubleshooting. Where if we find any difficult in any issue, any technical issue, or if we need any kind of support from portal, we can take help from for it. Okay, the problem we can resolve the problem here. Okay, here the next step is feedback. Okay, and, and the next is detail of our profile, our Microsoft profile. Okay, here in the front screen or uh, on the screen you are seeing the home page of the uh, Microsoft Azure portal. Okay, these are the Azure services like virtual machines. Okay, and many more things. Other resources. Okay, oh, now there is a doubt arrives. What is the difference between services and resources? Right? Uh, Resources are in easy word we can say that what would we create on Azure, it's resources, and whatever the features which is being provided by the Azure comes called services. Okay, whatever we create on Azure, that is resources, and whatever the features being provided by Azure are services. Okay, now coming to the menu. Okay, here The first stuff is create a resource. We can create a resource here. Okay, let's create a resource. Let's create a virtual machine. Okay, let's run. How can we create a virtual machine? Okay, with the subscription, what kind of subscription I'm using? Put it down here. Put machine name. Put the name of machine. What you want to be. Okay, leave it. Here you can choose the region. Like I'm from India. I can choose the region. Mm, South India. Okay. Ability zone. We can choose whether we need ability zone or not. Okay. And there are many stuff we have to fill. Okay. And in this way we can create a virtual machine. Now we can create any kind of resources. Okay. Hello. Now the next stuff is homepage, which whatever we had landed from where the video started, there was homepage. Okay. Okay. This is the homepage. Okay. Now the next is dashboard. What is a dashboard and how it works? Okay. Let's see it. The dashboard. Let's see. Uh, you must have uh, the homepage of the you must have seen the homepage of desktop. Okay. There we put some applications so that we can quickly start those applications. We don't have to effort do effort for finding it. Okay. Like in that we as we can remove those applications, edit, delete, or we can display those applications. Similarly, in Azure dashboard, we can put whatever we want in the front. Okay. And similarly, we can change the position, we can delete, remove. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay. Let's edit it. Okay. See, I can change the position of it. Okay. Or I want to add something. Let's add clock. We can add it. Okay. Done. It it is even done. Edit. We can change the place. Okay. Similarly, if we want something more, we can add more of things like okay, edge, save. Okay. We can change the position. Two. Okay. Okay. Oh, it was my dashboard. Okay. We can also for example dashboard. Okay. We can also create another dashboard too, but in this app I don't know why I can't do it. We can also create another dashboard like it's the same like the desktop. We can also create another desktop too. Okay. The next is all services. Okay. Here are all the services being provided by the Azure. Okay. You can see a lot of stuff here. All the services, the provision board services, and many more things here. Virtual machine for scrolls. Okay. Here are the categories by okay. For example, if I goes to category of databases, we can see many of databases, the services. Okay. Okay. We can create uh, a virtual machine here too. Same procedure. Okay. Now the next is resources. As I have already told, resources are those which we have created in Azure. Okay. Here other resources which has been created. Okay. We can create new resources here too. Okay, again the same procedure, machine virtual machine. Okay, whatever, leave it. These all are the resources. Okay, here this is monitor. Hmm? Oh, sorry. Um, it's also resource. Here is the Azure Advisor. Okay, it provides recommendation on high availability, security, performance, operational excellence, and cost. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, the next is Microsoft Defender for clouds. It is a feature provided by Azure so that we can provide an extra layer for the data security. Okay, the next is cost management billing, help and support. Again, the same thing. Whatever we go through here. Okay, so it was a quick recap, quick tour of Azure website. Okay, now let's have a break. See you next video. Okay, thank you.